What's going on, guys? So today I have a 7th generation 160 gigabyte iPod, and let's see, the owner is saying that hard drive issues is our problem. So let's plug it in and let's see what happens, see what we got. Right away I notice we got some dead pixels right there on the screen. So no music. This iPod's definitely been opened before. I can kind of see the casing is kind of bent out, so I'm going to check this real quick and see what kind of hard drive we have. Let's go into the diagnostic menu. So to get there, we hold menu plus center until the iPod reboots like that, and then you press left plus center until the screen goes white, like that. And then you press menu for manual test. Go down to I/O. Sorry, I'm looking at it at this angle. If I look at it straight on, it's washed out. You guys can't really see it. So I/O, hard drive, HD smart data. Only 100 power on hours. That's crazy. So pending sectors is only 56. Reallocated sectors is 152. And 3 retracts. I mean, really, it's not that bad of an iPod. I mean, yeah, it's got some dead sectors, but I mean, it's all right. Okay. I am going to see if I can factory restore this on my computer, and we'll see what happens. I'll be right back with you. Okay, after several attempts to restore, I couldn't get it to go. It throws errors, and I actually did get it to almost go, and it never came up. So, thinking there might be something wrong with the hard drive. So let's get into this thing and let's swap out the hard drive and let's see if that'll resolve our issue. This thing will be fairly easy to take apart. It's definitely been opened before. You can kind of see that the case is bent outwards. Okay, there we go. And as always, do not open it like a book. You could accidentally rip the battery cable off, or the battery connector off the motherboard. And also, don't just rip the battery cable off, because again, you can rip the battery connector off the motherboard. Take your spudger, hold the battery connector down, get some tweezers, pull up on the battery ribbon cable. Now you can open it. Okay, battery doesn't feel too swollen, so I think that's fine. Battery doesn't look like it was replaced at any point in time, so I'm kind of curious as to why this was opened. Okay, so there's our hard drive. I have a replacement one right here. Slip the cable back in, close the latch, take your spudger and your handy dandy paperclip tool, hold down on the battery connector, pull up on the clip like that, close her back up, put the battery cable back in the battery connector, take your spudger and press down on the clip. That's it. Okay, that restore screen I like. I'm going to go plug it into my computer and we'll see what happens. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so replacing the hard drive, I was actually able to restore it and sync some music to it. So let's throw on some headphones real quick and let's test the rest of the functionality of the iPod, make sure everything else is in working order. Okay. Okay, center button works. Both headphones work. The next button works. Menu button works. Previous button works. Play pause works. And the hold switch works. Okay. Well, I think we'll call that one a success. I'm gonna contact the owner about these dead pixels and see if they want me to replace them or if they just want to let it go. I mean, really, as you can see, like you can barely see. I mean, I don't want to say barely see it. You can obviously see it there, clear as day, but it does not affect the functionality of the iPod. So I will let them make that call. So that is about it. I will catch you guys later.